Hello guys, today is the day 4. We're going to do legs. So doing a bit of walking. I personally don't prefer cardio because I don't do heavier weights. I do lighter weights and do more repetition. Technically that's my cardio form. So I do a 10 minutes of walk and
Just a warm up.
just a warm up, yeah, and some later on some stretching, then directly hit the floor with the squat. Then second variation will be high platform leg raise, single lunges. Then we will do some standing calf, then seated calf, then we'll do
Leg curl.
leg curl. Yeah, that's all. Then if time permits, I will do some of TRP muscle, which is your friend of your calf. So that's all for the day. Let's get workout. This is a free weight squat warm up. So I do this 30 to 40 numbers, as quadriceps is the biggest muscle in your body and it need more repetition for warm up. So whenever I do back exercise or the leg exercise, I do more repetition so that the muscle get warm up and or get activated, and then from there I'll start the weight training. So there are a lot of forms to do squat. You can do front squat, back squat, close leg, wide leg. So I keep a moderate broadness for the leg, like my shoulder, little broader than the shoulder width, and take a strong, firm stand with a proper weight. Then I do squat with 15 reps, then come to 12 reps, then maximum 10 reps. Since squat is a bigger muscle, I increase the weight and come to 10 rep also. Certain things you have to be careful when you do squat exercise is that your back should be straight, not to lean forwards so that you get pressure on your back. But as it is, when you do squat, you get some kind of pressure on your lower back. That is fine. Also, your knee should not go in front of your toe. That should be within inside. Otherwise, you will get pressure on your knees, which can create problem in a later future, because can give wear and tear or back pains and all that. This is the one exercise which I have personally come up with. I've seen people doing lunges, which is not very effective for your teardrop muscle, and I've seen people going really below 90-degree on the squat, which will give back pain as your tailbone is bending towards inside. And I have come up with this particular exercise which I really got effective, and my teardrop is come to active, that I can go below 90-degree on this particular exercise, whereas in your back, tailbone is still going straight because your other leg is behind, and there is a great support from the other leg also, even if you're going below 90-degree. Ideally, I was supposed to put this particular exercise as my name, Subin Lunges, as it has come out from my invention. And but since it is for the universe and I'm not very keen about such names like Arnold Press. Standing calf raise, this is for the lateral head, and you can keep toes in 3 different variation: inside, straight and outside. So depends on that you get the head for the calves. Very effective. Stand in shoulder width form and do it. Calf muscle is known to be the type B or type 2 muscle, which means that in the body there are 2 types of muscle: A type 1 or B type 2, which means that it keeps on moving all the time when you walk, when you run, like your abs, core muscles. So you have to activate it by doing more repetition, not by heavy weights. Yes, you can increase the weight to increase the size of the muscle gradually, not directly all of a sudden. This is a seated calf raise. This is for the soleus of the calf, which is the lower part of your calf. Very important to keep your toes in three different angle, toe pointing outside, straight and inside, and more repetition, like 15 to 20 repetition you have to do it with lighter weights. This is the last workout for the leg curl. This is for the hamstring, which is also known as the biceps for the leg, the muscle behind your quadriceps muscle. And I personally like the older machines which you find in other gyms, is that when you lie down and curl your leg upward direction. However, we can't complain it because my gym has only this machine, and this is also a small muscle and we have to do lighter weight with more repetition. Alright guys, it was a very heavy workout today for legs. Damn tired.
Dead tired.
Probably going to drink some or eat some protein and crash and wake up in the morning. Tomorrow we'll come up with another video, shoulder preferably. So keep tuning our channel. Do
like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, goodbye.
If any doubt also you can ask me under the subscription box or the comment box, in fact. So I will be online giving you any kind of query if it's possible for me to clear it up. So till then, good night, bye, take care.